In this video, we will look at the ideal temperature of the evaporator, the recommended fan speeds, and the required pressures of the refrigerant gas in order to keep meat in optimal condition inside a commercial cold room. Let us begin by stating that, in meat preservation, controlling the saturation temperature of the refrigerant inside the evaporator is a decisive factor in achieving the exact conditions of temperature and relative humidity needed to extend the product's shelf life. The refrigerant saturation temperature must always be set below the target air temperature of the chamber, leaving a margin known as temperature difference, or delta T, sufficient to ensure proper heat transfer and to allow controlled condensation of humidity. In practice, this difference is usually between 5 and 12 degrees Celsius, 9 to 21.6 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the design of the evaporator, the air speed, and the specific operating conditions. The air speed generated by the evaporator fans plays a key role in this balance. High speeds increase the heat transfer rate and quickly reduce the product temperature, but they also increase surface dehydration of the meat by reducing relative humidity. This is useful in rapid freezing processes, but not recommended for long-term storage of fresh meat. Medium or low speeds help preserve surface moisture and avoid weight loss from dehydration, although cooling is slower. This approach is more suitable for fresh meat storage rooms, where the priority is to maintain texture and juiciness. In well-designed systems, the air speed is regulated to achieve a compromise between cooling speed and humidity control, even using fans with a frequency converter to adjust according to the stage of the process. A. Fresh refrigerated meat. For a chamber target of 0 to 2 degrees Celsius, 32 to 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit, a delta T of 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, 10.8 to 14.4 degrees Fahrenheit, is recommended, resulting in an evaporator saturation temperature close to -6 and -8 degrees Celsius, 21.2 to 17.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This adjustment maintains relative humidity between 85 and 90%, preventing surface dehydration and preserving texture and juiciness.